Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you social studies of class 5th. Students, once again, I am giving the question answers of lesson 1 along with question answers of lesson 2. Now, children, see the question answers of lesson 1. So, lesson 1, the oceans and the continents. Oral answers. Name the largest continent in the world and how much land area does it occupy of our planet? Answer: Asia is the largest continent of the world. It occupies one-third of the total land area of our planet. Question number 2. Name the world's deepest trench and its depth. The world's deepest trench is Mariana Trench. It is 10,911 meters of depth. Question number 3. Which is the coldest part of the world? Answer: Antarctica is the coldest part of the world. Question number B. Unscramble the letters to give the correct answer. A. This is the largest continent in the world. Correct answer is Pacific. Pacific. Question number B. This is both a continent and a country. Answer is Australia. Australia. Question number C. This is the smallest ocean in the world. Answer is Arctic. Arctic. Question number D. This is the largest desert in the world. Answer is Sahara. Sahara. Question number E. Antarctic Ocean is also called. Answer is Southern. Southen. Tick the correct option. A. The biggest continent is Asia. B. The largest river in the world. Answer is the Nile. C. Which continent is also known as White Continent? Answer is Antarctica. Match the following columns. A. Blue color, water bodies. B. 7. Answer is continents. C. 5. Oceans. D. Mount Everest in Asia. E. China, highest population. Fill in the blanks. A. Large landmasses are called. Answer is continents. B. There are dash oceans in the world. Answer is 5. C. Dash is the largest continent. Answer is Asia. D. The dash is the longest river. Answer is Nile. E. The third largest continent is dash. Answer is North America. F. Dash discovered North America. Answer is Christopher Columbus. G. Dash is the world's deepest trench. Answer is Mariana Trench. Answer the following questions. Question number A. Why does Antarctica not have any population? Answer is Antarctica do not have any population because it is a frozen desert with ice of just over 1 mile in thickness. Question number B. Why have several countries set up permanent research centers in Antarctica? Answer. Several countries set up permanent research centers in Antarctica because some scientists believe that large quantity of minerals can be found below the thick ice sheets of Antarctica. C. Which oceans surround the continent of Asia? Answer. There are oceans in 3 sides of this landmass. To the north lies the Arctic Ocean, to the east is the Pacific Ocean, and to the south is the Indian Ocean. Question number D. Which continent lies partly in northern hemisphere and partly in southern hemisphere? Answer. The continent of Africa lies in both the northern and southern hemisphere. Question number E. What is an isthmus? Answer. Isthmus is a narrow piece of land connecting two larger bodies of land. Question number F. Question number F. What do you mean by Australasia? Answer. Australasia along with New Zealand and other islands from Australasia. Question C. Define the following terms. A. Continents. The large land masses are called the continents. B. Oceans. Vast bodies of water on the earth which separate the 7 continents from each other are called oceans. C. Indian subcontinent. India and her neighbors are collectively called the Indian subcontinent because they share many common features. D. White continent. Antarctica is the white continent because it is the coldest part of the world. It is frozen throughout the year and is surrounded by stormy seas. E. Mariana Trench. It is located in the western Pacific Ocean about 200 km east of the Mariana Island. It is the deepest oceanic trench on Earth. F. S-shaped ocean. The Atlantic Ocean occupies an elongated S-shaped basin extending longitudinally between Europe and Africa to the east and the Americas to the west. Lesson 2, Latitude